If you are shipping 10,000 orders a month, you are a dream client for a 3PL. The obvious reason is because it's more revenue for the 3PL. Yes, this is true, but there's more. At this volume, the 3PL gets a pretty good return on investment for optimizing your fulfillment. There is enough order volume where it makes sense to build processes around your specific volume. For example, they will create a dedicated team that works on your orders. They will optimize and organize packing stations in a way where the packer doesn't have to move and time isn't wasted touching products multiple times. They will also look into implementing robotic automation to speed things up. Through further optimization, the 3PL is able to reduce their variable cost per order and convert that into profit. This is not a one-time activity. Instead, their operations team will identify inefficiencies and opportunities every month. For every 10 seconds a 3PL can save per order, they will save an additional $1,000 per month. 3PLs work hard and intelligently to turn opportunities into value. Some 3PLs will pass these savings on to you, but only if you ask. If you aren't getting this from your existing 3PL, ask them what continuous improvements they are doing around your process and how they plan on reducing costs for you.